don't know what this is on this V-Dub Beetle, but whatever that is on the side of it looks like some type of air conditioner, air cooler or something. That is so cool. That's all I gotta say. I like it. Man, that's real. He has Slamology with wood in his hand. My man's about to build a bear, man. That's real. That's dedication right there. For those that talk about you didn't finish your build, you could have finished it here. That's how my car sounds here at Slamology. If you ain't got your music going, literally, my music is not going. Slam. But anyway, my music ain't going, and I'm getting flex in my car. Alright, so it looks like inclement weather is coming in. According to the forecast here, it's cloudy. And the Doppler radar says rain. So we're gonna have to postpone it for a little bit. Back to some more of these demos, crazy footage, different things, different builds, people hopping off the cart. Yeah, this is my boy Jesse right here. Check him out. Check him out.
Hey, I'm gonna be over here, man.
Okay, I'm
right next to a range.
I'm definitely gonna come over as soon as it's gonna lighten up. I ain't going nowhere neither. I'm staying right here. What we got back there, EXO? Oh wow.
1812.
18 of them?
1812.
This is Slamology 2018. I'm still gonna get it cracked. About to head over here. See, this right here is bad. Yeah. It's a waste of money. Yeah. Slamology is very expensive. Very, very expensive for me. I didn't have it. Trust me. Believe me, I didn't have it. But I'm still happy to, water, this is prime time for me to hit the lanes and just to get it knocked out and hopefully hopefully it lets up, because I had a major setback yesterday. When I was giving the demo, I blew my radiator up, literally. Steam shot out the front and out the sides. It looked like the car was on fire. It was bananas.
Every base head, all my base head buddies, everybody knows those Rangers. You have to JB Weld. You have to JB Weld. JB Weld, I got you right in on him at that low. And it wasn't from the base. I didn't have it over here, man. I brought a story. I have these shirts.
You never know. Might be some JB Weld sitting in this truck somewhere, huh?
Might be, man.
Nah, but we know it's clean.
Keep going, y'all. Positive note, bass note. Let's change the frequency. Now I'm inside. Looking at this water, how deep it is. I might have to go on this side because, like I said, my intake. Should have been over there on the edge. My dumb butt. Anyway, no harm, no foul. Guys, man, they some troopers, man. Everybody a beat. Say hello to everybody. Got B2 audio. Sky High right over there. We got DD in the crib. Matter of fact, I should back, man. I wish it wasn't raining. I would let them check out my little CUNY setup. What else we got? Team Flop Box in the building. Yeah, we got a little rain. We got Gary over here, full throttle in the building too.
Is PRV giving umbrellas away?
No, man, we got the hookup.
Okay. I'm gonna go over there and make a friend then.
Now here's a little story I got to tell. I got the first rap bitch to rock Chanel. They don't want to dress up and down the road.
friends, online and in real life. The experience was just unreal. I don't care if rain, sleet, snow, whatever. Make your way next year. 2019, make sure you make your way. But it's an amazing network of people. That's all I can say. A lot of hardcore bases that stuck around to Sunday today. It definitely was worth it. It definitely was worth it. For those that I didn't get a chance to get a demo with, man, trust me, I really wanted to, and I look forward to it next time around, or hopefully before the season's up. Just sometime soon is what I'm trying to say. Peace and bass, y'all. I definitely want to make a note for y'all. I'm gonna start, tell me if I should, but I want to start sharing events that I will be going to, instead of sharing footage from events that I went to. So that way some of the guys that's here in my town, here in the Midwest, period, whatever, you know, within 100 miles, you can come and bass with me, or bass with Team Monster, bass with Scott, or bass with, you know, whoever it is.